Hello kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktum. In this video, we are going to start with English chapter 3, Just Being Kind. So let's start. Just being kind. Read these statements and write yes or no. So we have to read these statements and write yes or no in the brackets. Okay. First one, we should throw dirty things on the road. Is it right to throw dirty things on the road? No. We should help our parents. Yes, we have to help our parents. We should keep our surrounding clean. Yes, we have to keep our surrounding clean, whether it is a school or it is a home. You have to keep your surrounding clean. So write yes there. We should kick our pets. No, we should take care of our pets. We should waste water. No, we have to save our water. Save water. We should have the TV on loudly. No, we should spit on the road. No, as earlier I have mentioned, we should keep our surrounding clean, so we should not spit on the road. Right? No there. They said add two more. I have written here. We should respect everyone because give respect, take respect policy. We should respect everyone. Whether he is a smaller or he is a bigger than you have to respect everyone. We should not pluck flowers. Okay. Yeah. Next topic here. Let us listen. This one we are going to see it later. It is there in the last. Okay. We'll see it later. Second one. Look at the pictures below. Match the picture and expression on the left with the situation on the right. Sorry. When we will be saying sorry, when we hurt someone, we will say sorry. So the answer for this is hurting someone. Hurting someone. Next, please. When we will be saying please, when you want something or you are asking for something, you say please. So asking for something. Excuse me, sneezing, great, very happy, thank you, receiving a gift, hello is a meeting. Clear with this? Moving on. Answer these questions by picking the correct answers from the box. So they have given you some questions here and also the answers are there, but the answers are shuffled. Okay, we have to choose correct answer for the question. Okay, what does calling names mean? So the answer for this one is yes, here one. Calling names means using bad words like fool and donkey to others. So this is the answer for the first question. That's why I written one. Say two things that are not good manners. Here for this answer is sixth one. Shouting and teasing are not good manners. So this is the answer for second question. Say two things that are good manners. Okay, sharing our toys and waiting for our turn are both good manners. What should we do when others speak? Answer is we should listen when others speak. Yes. Last question. In the end, what does good manners really mean? In the end, good manners really means being kind and polite to others. Okay. Yes, kids, now there is a lesson. I'm going to read it. So along with me, you also read. Ammu was 6 years old. There is a girl called Ammu. She is 6 years old. Okay. She was very selfish. She was very selfish. Selfish means the one who cares about himself too much. Okay. That person is a selfish. So here Ammu is a selfish. That is why she had no friends. Because of selfishness, she is not having a single friend in her school. Okay. One day, a new girl, Priya, came to class 1. So one day what happens? A new girl called Priya come to class 1. It means what Amu is also in first standard. Okay. Poor Priya. She found maths and Kannada difficult. So she feels Kannada and maths difficult. She used to cry sometimes. She used to cry sometimes because she is weak in maths and Kannada. Okay. Help her to learn Ammu. Help her to learn Ammu, said Ammu's mother. So Ammu's mother is telling to Ammu that help Priya to learn, okay, because she is a bit clever. So here Ammu's mother is saying to Ammu that help Priya to learn, okay. Then no, I won't, said Ammu. Priya is a crybaby. Here Ammu replies that no, I cannot help her to learn and she's a crybaby. Means for everything she cries. Okay, kids? Ammu's mother said, alright, no swimming for you. Ammu loved to go to the swimming pool, so she had to teach maths to Priya. Soon, Priya could do her homework easily. So, what happened is when Ammu says that I can't help Priya, then Ammu's mother replies, okay, then, so there will be no swimming for you. But Ammu is very fond of swimming pool. She loved to go to swimming pool. So that's why she has to teach Priya maths. Okay. Then once everything is done, now Priya is able to do her homework. One day, Ammu got angry and pushed the boy. So one day, what happens? Ammu, because of her angriness, she pushed the boy. The teacher was not happy with her. Because of this, the teacher was not happy with her. Ammu had Ammu had to stay back after school. She had to clean the board and make the class tidy. All alone, she cried and cried. That is how Priya saw her. She helped Ammu, and the class was soon neat and clean. So, what happens one day? Ammu got angry and pushed a boy. Then, because of this, the teacher got angry. Then, the punishment given to Ammu that she has to clean the board and the class. So because of this, she started to cry. Ammu started to cry. This situation Priya saw. So Priya came to help Ammu, and after some time the class was clean and neat. Means what? Priya helped her to clean. Then thanks Priya, said Ammu. So Ammu says thanks Priya. So this is a good manner. Whenever someone helps you, you have to say thanks. Okay? Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. The two girls became the best of friends. Clear with this, kids? Okay, here. Match the words and their meanings. Cry baby, they have given the option 2. That is, a child who cries for everything is called as a cry baby. Next one is friend, which is the correct answer here. Friend is fourth one. Someone you like. Yes, no, someone you like, you go and talk with him, so he will become your friend. Yes, friend is someone who you like. Selfish. First one, thinking only about oneself is called selfish. Neat and tidy. Seventh one, everything in its place. Kind. Sixth one is good. Swimming pool. A big pond of water where one can swim. Punish. To make a wrongdoer suffer a bit. Clear with the match the words? Answer these questions. In which class did Ammu study? Ammu studied in class 1. Okay. Priya found two subjects hard. What were they? Priya found maths and Kannada subjects hard. Okay. Why was the teacher not happy with Ammu? Teacher was not happy with Ammu because Ammu pushed a boy. How did Priya help Ammu? Priya helped Ammu in cleaning the board. What did Priya teach Ammu? Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Clear with the question answers? Here are some statements from the story. There are also some new statements. Write who says the words. Okay, kids, here they have given some statements. You have to tell who told these statements. First one example they have given. I am new in this class. This statement is said by Priya. Like this, you have to write for all. Maths and Kannada are so hard. Priya tells this. Help her to learn. Who said this? Ammu's mother. Yeah. She is a crybaby. Ammu said this. You must stay back and clean the class. Teacher said this. To whom? To Ammu. Don't cry, I will help you. Priya told this to Ammu. Thank you for being kind to me. Ammu told this to Priya. Okay, kids? Yeah, next one. Look at the boxes below and circle the odd one out. Okay, first one is shout, yell, scream, whisper. Shout, yell, scream are the same. Whisper is the odd one here. So circle it. Always, often, never, many times. Here, always, often, and many times means similar. Never means it is the odd one here. Laugh loudly, smile, speak aloud, cry out. Here, smile is the odd one. Throw, hold, toss, flying. Hold is the odd one. Clean, messy, tidy, neat. Messy. Alone, single, together, by yourself. Together is the odd one. Clear with this, kids? Okay. Complete these statement sentences about Ammu and Priya. Ammu was 6 years old. Teacher said, you must clean the board and make class steady. Priya was poor in maths and Kannada. Mother wanted Ammu to help Priya to learn. Ammu and Priya became best friends. Okay, kids, and there's a pair work. You can do this with any partner of your class. You can take any of the idea and you can do that task. Okay, next pair work. It is also put in the missing words to make some good rules. Here you have to use either never or always. Never climb on walls. Next one. Dash walk on footpaths. Always walk on footpaths. Never frighten animals. Always close the gate behind you. Never drop sweet wrappers or spit on the road. Now write two more rules, one with never and one with always. Okay, it's your work, you can do. Okay. Put these words in the alphabetical order starting with A. Here for A they are given Ammu. Yes. For B, Beena. For C, Kathy. For D, Deepak. E, Esha. F, Feroz. G, Govind. Clear with that? You have to write here on the underline. You have to write those words. Okay. Next one, moving on. Give the opposite of. So you have to write opposite words here. Opposite word of easy is difficult or hard. Kind opposite word is cruel or you can say bad. Cry, laugh or you can say whisper. Neat, untidy, disorderly. Friend, enemy. New, old. Clear with the opposite words? You have to remember these. Okay, let us practice language. Look at the two sets of words given below. A kind friend, an angry girl. Here, kind is what it is it is describing whom this friend. An angry girl. Angry is describing a girl. Yes. So here, same way here they have given these sets: big house, new bike, fast car, pretty flower, long snake, loud music, fat cat, old man, happy girl, tall mountain, right answer, easy homework. So these are the sets. You have to make such words like this, a kind friend, like this. You have to make some sets here in this side. Like example, they have given one big house. They have written a big house, as well as they have written a happy house. Like this, you can also write for others also. Okay, let us start with this. A new bike. Here, new is there, bike is there. I can write it as a new bike, a fast bike, an old bike. Next, car is there. I can write it as a new car, a fast car, an old car. Next, flower. A pretty flower. Pretty flower. Next, snake is there. A long snake. Next, music. Loud music. Cat. A fat cat. An old cat. Man. An old man. A happy man. A tall girl. A happy girl. A tall mountain. A right answer. An easy answer. An easy homework. A right homework. I hope I'm clear with this. Okay, here let us write. Read this description of Ammu. Here there is a description about Ammu. Like this, you have to write about your friend here, or your best friend. I will read about Ammu. Like this, you can write about your best friend. My best friend is Ammu. Here you can write your best friend name. She is 6 years old. You can write your best friend's age next. She has long black hair. You can write about the hairstyle of your friend. She ties it in a ponytail. She has black eyes. It is cold today, so she is wearing a sweater. Okay, so like this you have to write about your best friend. It will be a homework for you. Kind child certificate. Okay, kids, this is a certificate for the kids who is kind. Kind means the one who keep his surrounding clean, the one who respect everyone, the one who help their parent, and that child is said to be a kind child. Clear with this, kids? So if you are a kind child, write your name here and you write a good thing which you did today here. Clear with this? Okay. So I told something in the beginning. Okay. This is a poem you have. Manners. We say thank you. We say please. We don't call names or tease. We don't shout, we don't fuss. We listen when others talk to us. So here they are saying, whenever somebody helps you, say thank you. Whenever you're asking something, say please. Yes, whenever somebody is saying something or want to talk with you, you listen. We share our toys and take our turn. Good manners are not too hard to learn. It's really easy when you find good manners means just being kind. Okay, so it's the same paragraph they have given in the beginning. They have given in the beginning the same poem they have given. Yeah, here. We say thank you, we say please. The same poem you have to write here. Wherever the underlined word is there, you have to write that missing word here. Clear with this, kids? So this completes your chapter number 3, just being kind. Clear with this, kids? Yes? This is all about this video. So I hope I'm clear with the chapter. In the next video, we are going to start with the 4th chapter. Okay, kids? Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.